Hi and welcome, Lisa here with a product reveal for the Whimsy Stamps ATC Book Die Set. Now this die set creates the cutest book to hold your artist trading cards, but that's not all. You can use it to create fun treat boxes or gift card holders. Let's have a closer look. This set includes a total of 8 dies. I'm going to lay each die cut piece out as I talk about it, and I really like the way this set was designed. The book is one die measuring 4 inches by 8 3/4 of an inch. You're getting 2 decorative corner pieces, a tag, a button, and 2 labels. Now the smaller label fits the spine of the book, and you can use the ATC frame signature stamp set to stamp the book number in the center of that label, and this piece, once assembled, is a box that you can glue into the book. Now the die embosses the fold lines on the book, so once it's been cut out, you only need fold along those lines and you're done. So easy, right? The finished book is 2 7/8 of an inch wide by 3 7/8 of an inch high and about 3/4 of an inch deep. You can use the book on its own or add the box inside. Now the box die, just like the book, embosses the fold lines. Use glue on the tabs to assemble, and I recommend using binder clips to hold it together while it dries. Once it's dry, glue to the bottom of the box and then add it to the inside of the book. Now the finished box size is 2 5/8 of an inch wide by 3 3/4 of an inch high and about 11/16 of an inch deep. Now you can use the box to hold artist trading cards, treats, or gift cards. I'm pretty sure you'll see a few samples of these with Halloween treats and later in the year gift cards for Christmas. Now I have a few samples I created using this fun die set and a few other products from Whimsy Stamps. So here I used the Really Cool Halloween pack to decorate the front of my box after I did a very distressed, grungy looking box. And here you can see that label on the spine of the book and then those decorative corners that were heat embossed with gold embossing powder. This last sample I have here was simply black cardstock cut out with that book die and then embossed with the Bats Galore embossing folder. And again, I used a die cut piece from the Really Cool Halloween paper pack and added that to the front. I stamped that limited edition from the ATC frame signature stamp set on the bottom of that pattern paper. So let me know what you think of the new ATC book die set in the comments below. And for more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. We would love to have you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest, where you'll find more inspiration. Until next time, take care.